Auto feed string trimmers are a must-have tool for any homeowner or landscaper. There are many products available to choose auto feed string trimmers, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best auto feed string trimmers from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. MZK 20V 12-foot Cordless String Trimmer. The MZK cordless string trimmer is designed to make your lawn care tasks easier and more efficient. With its powerful upgraded motor, you can enjoy a high cutting speed of 8,000 RPM, ensuring that you get through thick grass with ease. The 12-inch cutting diameter allows for broader coverage, making each trimming session quicker. You'll appreciate the automatic line feed feature, which releases the trimmer line as needed without any manual adjustments. Plus, its lightweight design at just 6.3 pounds means you can maneuver it effortlessly, reducing fatigue during use. Number 2. 12-inch 20V Cordless String Trimmer. The Sunsures cordless trimmer is a versatile tool that combines a trimmer and edger in one design. You can easily switch between trimming and edging by simply rotating the head, making it perfect for maintaining your lawn and garden. With two powerful 2.0Ah batteries, you can enjoy over 30 minutes of uninterrupted work, ensuring you complete your yard tasks efficiently. The adjustable cutting head and auxiliary handle allow you to customize the angle for hard-to-reach areas, while the automatic line feed ensures you always have the right amount of cutting line for a clean finish. Number 3. Skil PWR Core 40 Brushless 40V 14-foot String Trimmer Kit. The Skil PWR Core 40 Brushless 40V 14-foot String Trimmer Kit is a cordless string trimmer built for power and performance. It comes with a 2.5Ah battery and an auto PWR jump charger to keep you powered up. It is the lightest in its class compared to 40V competitive brands. The digital brushless motor provides efficient, high-performance power for longer tool life without the hassle of gas. The twist load head allows you to simply insert the line and twist to get started. Plus, with the dual-line bump feed, you can load more line hassle-free with this innovative grass trimmer. The PWR Core 40 lithium battery technology wraps each cell with cooling material to keep it powering on for 25% longer run time and 2x battery life. Number 4. Lithely 20V 12-inch Cordless String Trimmer. Lithely Cordless String Trimmer is a lightweight tool at only 4.5 pounds, making it easy to handle. The telescopic pole can be adjusted without tools, allowing you to reach any length between 36-inch and 47. Its rubber-covered auxiliary handle can be secured at any angle for a comfortable grip. This 2-in-1 trimmer and edger with a single-line spool automatically provides a 0.065-inch line, cutting a 12-path efficiently. Number 5. Ego Power Plus String Trimmer. The EGO ST1620T trimmer is a powerful and convenient tool for all your lawn care needs. With its telescopic carbon fiber shaft, you can easily adjust the height to fit your comfort level. The carbon fiber shaft is not only durable but also comes with a lifetime warranty, ensuring long-lasting performance. The continuous 16-inch cutting swath allows you to cover more area in less time, making your trimming tasks more efficient. Equipped with a high-efficiency brushless motor, this trimmer delivers optimal power and performance. The professional-grade, dual-line spiral twist 0.095 inches. Line ensures clean and precise cuts. With the digital 2-speed selector, you can easily switch between different cutting speeds based on the task at hand. The weather-resistant construction adds durability and longevity to the trimmer. For best results, it is recommended to use the EGO 4.0Ah 56V ARC lithium battery, available separately, to enjoy up to 60 minutes of cut time on a single charge. Experience the convenience and power of the EGO ST1620T trimmer for all your trimming needs.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.